put a schedule in place in February, and every single milestone has been met on every occasion, and it's been a very unusual experience, if I could put it that way, in building something as complicated and as high-tech as this. And I'd really like to say that the team made it all happen, but I'd like to say really thank you to one person in particular, and it's Neil Cox, who's done a great job from go to woe, keeping the program on schedule the whole way through, and also keeping an amazing eye to detail to making it all happen. The boat might look quite simple, but it's actually a very complicated boat, and there's a lot of detailing and thought processes that have gone in right along the way. Also, I'd like to thank the rest of my team, Timmy and Dav, for putting in and making it all happen, Craig and all the boys, and certainly to Andrew and James, who are here, and to Simon. Well done, guys. It's been a terrific team effort. So without any further ado, I'll let Lisa, my primary sponsor in this program, do the honours.
I name this yacht Ichi. May God bless her and all who sail on her.
Hey. To Ichi. Cheers. Well done.
Got it.
Well done. She got it in one.